Alright, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to copy your traces over to another drawing if they are the same. So let's open up E-Takeoff and get started. So as you can see, I have some infill beams and I want to copy them to this drawing. This drawing is the exact same for the example to make it easy, but I can show you what you can do if it is not the exact same. So first you want to go up here to drawing, compare to new drawing, and then you want to select the drawing that you want to compare it to. You hit align, then you hit OK. So now let's get into if it's not the exact same. So if it's a little bit to the right or a little bit to the left, or you need to go up or down, or even if you need to flip it, you can just use these arrows, and it's pretty simple. Once you get the hang of it, it'll take a second to learn. It takes a while to do if you just sit there and click and click. What I find easier, I can show you in just a second. So you hit OK, then you go to Home, Multi-Select. Let's select them all. And you right click on one of the points, you hit drawing comparison, move copy measurements and annotations, and then you want to hit copy measurements and annotations, hit OK, then boom, they're right there. So let's say they were off a little bit like this. Instead of doing the arrows, what I found is easier is you can just multi-select, hit move and copy, and you can move them over. It's a lot quicker, and in my mind it's a lot easier. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It supports the channel, and if you have any questions or want me to do a video on a specific subject, just put it down in the comments. Alright, bye.